Today, I'll show you how to install and run Pop! OS in VirtualBox, and why many users consider it a smarter choice compared to Windows 11. Pop! OS is optimized for speed and efficiency, running smoothly even on older hardware. Windows 11, on the other hand, demands higher system resources, which can slow down performance on modest machines. With Pop! OS, you have complete control over your desktop environment, themes, and workflow. Windows 11 restricts customization, often locking users into Microsoft's ecosystem. Pop! OS respects your privacy. No hidden tracking, no forced ads. Windows 11 collects telemetry data and pushes Microsoft services, which many users find intrusive. Pop! OS gives you access to thousands of free open-source applications with smooth update management. Windows 11 requires paid licenses and often forces updates at inconvenient times. By installing Pop! OS in VirtualBox, you can explore a powerful, privacy-friendly, and customizable operating system, proving that sometimes Linux really is better than Windows 11.
So, let's run Pop! OS on your Windows system. Let's get started. First, you'll need to install and run VirtualBox. Head over to the official VirtualBox website, click on the download button, and then select your host machine. Since we're using Windows, choose Windows host. And there you go. The download has begun. While that's downloading, make sure to also grab Pop! OS. I've added all the download links for you right below in the description, so check them out. The Pop! OS ISO file is about 2.5 GB. So the download might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once that's ready, you can go ahead and install the virtual machine on your system. I'm sure you'll be able to handle it. But if you run into any issues, don't worry. I've already made a detailed step-by-step video on installing VirtualBox. You can check that out for extra guidance. Alright, after installing VirtualBox, let's open it up. Since I already have VirtualBox installed on my system, you can see a few ISO files listed on my dashboard. Now, click New to create a virtual machine. Give it any name you like. In the VM folder, choose where you want to store your operating system. For the ISO image, navigate to the location where you downloaded Pop! OS and select that file. Next, set the base memory. You'll need at least 2 GB, but I'm going with 4 GB here. For CPUs, allocate 2 or more. Set the disk size to around 25 GB, then click Finish. Before starting, head into Settings to double-check everything. We don't need the floppy option, so disable that. Also, increase the video memory to the maximum for better performance. And that's it. Now just click Start. Choose once the virtual machine starts. The installer will guide you through the setup. First, choose your preferred language. Then click on Clean Install. Select the ATA VBOX hard disk and press Erase and Install to continue. Next, create your account by entering a name and setting up a password. Click Next. And if you'd like, you can also choose to encrypt the drive for extra security. Now, restart your system. Enter your password to crypt setup. Enter your password to unlock others. Let's start by adjusting the screen resolution. Just right-click on the desktop. Go to Display Settings and set it to 1920 by 1080. Click Apply and make sure to keep the changes. Now, on the Pop! OS welcome screen, you can simply click Next to move forward. When you reach the time zone setup, select your country directly on the map. After that, click Next again, and you can skip the remaining steps for now. That's it. Your Pop! OS environment is ready to go. Here, you can see all the installed application on system. Now, let's explore the Pop! Shop. This is where you can install applications from wide range of categories. Whether it's productivity tools, development software, or entertainment apps, everything is neatly organized and easy to find. If you click on the menu button above, you'll see the available update files. Right now, it's only showing Otis updates. But instead of updating from here, we'll do everything through the terminal. So, open the terminal and type sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Press enter, then type your password when prompted. The process will take a few moments to complete, and once it's done, your system will be fully updated. Now, restart your operating system to apply all the updates and changes. Once it boots back up, your Pop! OS will be fully refreshed and ready to use. Now, let's customize the appearance of our system. Just right-click on the desktop and select Change Background. From here, you can set a new wallpaper or switch between the light and dark themes. In the desktop options, you'll find more controls. You can decide whether to show the workspace and application button at the top left of your screen. You can also choose where the date and time appear, center, right, or left. And finally, you can even hide or show the minimize and maximize buttons, depending on how you want your desktop to look. It's all about making OS feel just the way you like it. That's all for today. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.